Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. In this video, I would like to tell you the story about Jennifer. Jennifer did not cook very much until recently after she adopted my fast cooking system. For many years, she used to eat a lot of fast and ultra-processed food, and partly because of the convenience. She found that by eating fast and ultra-processed food, that would save her time. So instead of home cooking, which normally takes her about 1 to 2 hours each evening, a fast and ultra-processed food would take only about 30 minutes. And so the end result is that she has more time to do other things. For example, she can work more. She can spend more time with her friends and families, as well as she can spend more time on entertainment and recreational activities. However, she recently discovered that her health has been affected by over the years of the consumption of fast and ultra-processed foods, and she wants to make a change. But for her, the change turned out to be very difficult because she simply doesn't have the time. She normally have only 30 minutes to prepare a meal, and if she go back to home cooking, the approach that she used to take, which more of a traditional approach, would take her about 1 to 2 hours, and she just doesn't have the time, since the time that she has committed to other type of activities is not easy to reverse, because this has been her lifestyle for many years. But that all changed after she discovered the fast cooking system. Now, the fast cooking system used stir-frying as the basic cooking technique. And she discovered that through stir-frying, she can easily put a meal together in about 10 to 20 minutes, because stir-frying is very fast. The wok allowed her to cook a dish usually in about 10 to 15 minutes. So the end result is that she can put a meal together with 2 or 3 dishes under 30 minutes without any problem at all. However, stir-frying has one problem, that is prepping. Stir-frying requires quite a bit of prepping, and if you do the prepping at the same time as you do the stir-frying, then the time will be about the same as if you would use traditional cooking methods. But one thing she discovered is advanced prepping. By separating prepping from stir-frying, she is able to take advantage of the time that when she do the prepping, she can do it at times that she can have the leisurely, and she can do it with much greater relaxation. And she can do it anytime she wants, whether it is early in the morning, late in the evening, when she has the time. And the important thing of advanced prepping is that it allows her to cook a meal quickly when the time pressure is a matter of significance. Particularly when she returns late from work, she's tired. She just wants to put a meal on the table as quickly as she can. And because of the advanced prepping, she now will have all the ingredients available to her, and she's able to use stir-frying and put a meal together in sometimes as little as 10 minutes. That makes it possible for her to cook on a regular basis. In fact, she cooks every evening, because she finds that the time she spends now on cooking a meal is not that much different the time she would spend on fast and ultra-processed food. And over the years, she find fast and ultra-processed food to be convenient. But now, with the fast cooking system, with stir-frying and advanced prepping, she is able to achieve the same level of convenience as she has with fast and ultra-processed food. And for her, that has become a game changer. And before adopting the fast cooking system, Jennifer cooked only a limited number of dishes based on some familiar recipes that she has. She would follow those recipes every time when she cooked. And she find that there's a level of monotony after she cooked the same dish over and over again, and she find home cooking to be boring, and the food she cook is not interesting to her. And the fast cooking system allows you to adopt a different type of cooking approach, which is referred to as template-based cooking. Now, the idea of template-based cooking is very similar to recipe-based cooking, except the template-based cooking is that you take a recipe and you convert it into a template. A template represents the key steps in cooking a dish. but the template provides you flexibilities, allow Jennifer to make changes, to substitute ingredients, or make small modifications to the cooking method. And the end result is that the same basic template with these modifications can lead to many different variations. And the great thing about templates is that you don't need a recipe. Once you are familiar with the template, you know exactly what to do. And whatever you do, you understand the steps that are involved in creating the flavor and texture of the dish that you like. And so consequently, you know how to make adjustments in substituting different ingredients. Now, with template-based cooking, Jennifer greatly expanded her repertoire because each template can generate multiple different variations by using different ingredient substitutions. And then she can even combine different templates together. And this will result even a greater variety and variations of the dishes that she can cook. So instead of have only maybe 10 or 15 different recipes that she cooks on a regular basis, now Jennifer has a repertoire over 100 different dishes. In fact, it continues to expand as she further discovers how to create new combinations, new substitutions, and new variations to the basic template. And she continues to add new templates to her template collections. So by having about maybe 10 different templates, Jennifer is able to have a huge repertoire. In fact, she can cook different dishes every single evening for months without repeating them. And this is the reason why home cooking for Jennifer has now become something that is exciting in exploration as well as new discovery. Each night when Jennifer enters into the kitchen, she let her imagination to take hold, and she also look at what ingredients available to her, and she was able to combine the two and create new variations of the basic template. As they often say, practice makes perfect. When she used the template over and over again, she become familiar with the template, and she know exactly what to expect. Even though when she make new substitutions, create new dishes, she often has a pretty good idea how it's going to turn out. Now, another important part is that how to create flavor that you love and enjoy. And the saying goes is that we love flavor first before we love food. Once you're able to create the flavor that you love and enjoy, and if you know how to do it, you probably do not want anybody else to cook for you, because it's impossible for people who create the flavor that you love if they don't know what you like. So using the fast cooking system, Jennifer has completely changed her attitude toward home cooking. Now home cooking is efficient, practical, creative, and fun. And the end result is that she is now able to cook every single evening. So if you'd like to learn more about my fast cooking system, how it actually work in the case for Jennifer, and how it will work for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn more about the cooking system. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.